was a beautiful day. The sun beat down. I had the radio on. I was driving. There's 9 notes to this riff, and it's all on that top string, your 6th string, alternating between up, down, up, down, up, down. I want you to start on the upstroke. So the bottom string on the tablature is your 6th string, and it runs like that. And the numbers are which fret. 0, 7, 0, 6, 0, 5, 0, 3, 0. It's telling you which fret to do, and 0 is open, right? Reluctantly crouched at the starting line, engines pumping and thumping in time. The green light flashes, the flags go up, churning and burning, they yearn for the cup. So it's the top string, and that 0 means you don't fret it, so it's just open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then bend on the 6th string, 3rd fret. For that 3rd fret on that top string bend, I would use my ring finger. Then the next part of the lick, it drops down to the 5th string. So it's okay. Using your ring finger on that top string, it already has 1 and 2, fingers 1 and 2 poised to do that other lick. I would let the momentum from picking it open and just do a hammer on instead of picking it twice. And then pick it again when you use that middle finger. So that's what the picking looks like. So it's going to be similar with the open string on the 2nd part. Instead of bending there, it's on the 7th fret. Use your ring finger. It's 2 times. You go down to the 5th fret, and this is on the 5th string, okay? So 7th fret. So ring to index, because you're doing that opening top string thing again, so you don't have to be over there. And go ahead and have your hand ready. It's almost like a spider exercise. Okay? Now what I would recommend on the picking, again, they slide. So if you want to start at the 5th, into the 2. Now again, I would use the momentum of that 2nd pick. Yeah, I wouldn't pick again. I would just finger that 5th fret part. And then pick again for the ending note.
So it's on the 12th fret, which is your double dots, right? And on the 5th string, so the second one from the top. I would use my ring finger. Then it goes to the string under it, the 4th string on the 11th fret. And then back to that 5th string, 12th fret. So it's boom, boom, boom. Then we go to the 3rd string on the 9th fret. Then we go to the 4th string. So you're going to go up to the 11th, and then it's a walk down. It's 11, 10, 9. Then you drop to the 3rd string and do that walk down again. 11th down to the 9th. It's going to do the same thing again, except it omits one note. So before we were doing that 3-note walk down, this time it just goes straight from the 11th fret to the 9th fret with a pause. So you have a space for that 3rd note. And then you do the 3 again. So it's